Who has the best earnings charts this week? I'm bringing you only the best of the best. It's not easy to beat every quarter, but these companies have either beat every quarter or nearly every quarter for the last 5 years. So let's jump right into it. First one is one of the bigger Dow components. We got a lot of Dow components reporting this week, but this one has one of the best charts out there. This is General Electric. They haven't missed in 5 years, as you can see. It's a little choppy here. It's not as pretty as some of the others that I've covered, like UNH, but you still got those beats every quarter. So if you're playing the beat-miss game here, this one is definitely one you should be watching. Our next one is PPG Industries. They haven't missed except one time back in early 2013. So they got this great track record. They're on the paints and coatings side of things. So this is an industrial name. But you can see they've kind of entered into this stalled out period from 2015, 2016. I think they've warned on earnings once or twice, but I looked for this quarter and I didn't see any pre-warn or pre-announcement of any kind. So hopefully that's some good news going forward for them. But I like their earnings track record and their real solid old economy type of name. This is definitely one, if you're interested in these industrial names, you should be watching as well. And then we're going to have Checkpoint Software. They also have a great record with just that one miss in 2012. Shares that look like they're breaking out here. They've hit the new 5-year high, and that's a real positive because they too finally look like they were kind of stalled there for a couple of years. But again, they got this great record of beating. So if you are betting on the beats, this is one you should keep handy in your arsenal. And then finally, we're going to end up with how we kind of started off the week with a bank. A lot of banks reporting this week. This one only went IPO in 2014, but it's a big regional bank with an 18 billion market cap. They're headquartered out in Rhode Island, and they've been around since the early 1800s, actually. So this chart is kind of misleading, and it's kind of a fake to say that they haven't missed because it's only been a little over 2 years. But I put them in here anyways because this is a good track record. The banks have a tremendous track record, actually, most of them, over the course of the last couple of years. So again, if you're looking for a stock that you're just going to play the earnings beat or miss, this is definitely one where you got to like your odds. Of course, the shares have busted out to new highs now. That's also something we're going to have to watch with the banking stocks going forward. So we're getting pretty many companies reporting this week, and we're going to have even more reporting next week. We're not quite yet into the heart of real earnings season, but we will be, and I'll be bringing you even more of the charts when we get those. And also be sure to check in with Dave Bartosiak, who runs Zacks Live Trader, if you want to know the options plays, because he's going to cover all the options trades over there. And I know a lot of you like to play the options. That's fun too. So I'm going to cover the beats and he's going to cover the options. So that's Zacks Live Trader on YouTube and on Zacks.com. And I'll see you again next week.